Check which legs of your assembled trampoline are off the ground. Place a leveler leg between the two leaf springs that are to the left of one of these trampoline legs. Ensure that the wing nuts and locking plate are facing towards you. Remove the wing nuts and plastic protector. Slip the plastic protector under the lower frame tube between the two leaf springs. Attach the locking plate to the lower frame tube and hold it up as you reinsert the wing nuts through the front and back of the locking plate. Tighten them to secure the locking plate to the lower frame tube. Twist the jack until the stabilizing plate touches the ground. Rotate the stabilizing plate until the end with two holes is facing towards you. Take the tightening key and insert it over the top end of the jack. Turn the key to tighten the jack until that leg is securely on the ground. Go around your trampoline to any legs that remain off the ground. Insert and tighten leveler legs to the left of each leg until your entire trampoline is stable. Congratulations! You have attached your leveler to your trampoline.